Hello. Hi. We're back. I thought I'm not going to see you again. And so I was crying the last time. I didn't expect this to happen, but I'm happy. I still have a cough. Please pardon me if I cough often, okay? And okay, I wasn't prepared last Thursday. Hello. Can you try to talk so I know if I can hear you? Can you say something?
Yes.
Yes.
I can.
Okay, I can hear you. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay. And are you just going to finish the KET lessons? And then what will you do after?
I realize.
I mean, are you going to take up the Cambridge KET test? Gonna take an exam?
No,
Yeah.
my mom says yes.
Oh, how about the movers test? Did you take up movers test before?
I don't have mover text.
Oh.
And starter.
Oh, you didn't have one before?
I have flyer and starter.
Oh, okay. So you're done with flyers and starters. How about movers?
I don't have.
Okay. Flyers is higher. Ah, someone's knocking. Do you want to check?
Not my brother.
Ah! I thought it's something important. Maybe he wants to be naughty today. Are you in your room?
Yes.
Do you share room with your brother?
My brother.
I remember. He's scared of ghosts. So sometimes you share with him.
Yes.
Okay, I remember now. Okay. Do you have a story for me? What happened last weekend?
It's normal.
Oh, can't you think of something that you did, something exciting that happened last week?
No.
No, you can't go out, right? You can't go out, like eat in the restaurant.
Yeah.
That is why it's so normal, so boring at home. Okay, thank you for some chit chats. So let's begin. We are going back to speaking, the one we missed out last time because we jumped to listening. So let's go to KET 5, Test 1, Speaking. Okay, what are we going to expect in this lesson? We will learn about the weather. We will talk about the weather that you like, how you feel on different kinds of weather. And remember, when you talk about something, always add more details. Why you like it, how you feel about it, and more. Okay. We will also make questions using some prompt cards. Let's begin. Okay. These are the prompt cards we're going to talk about later. Part 1. Let's answer some questions. Oh, it jumped off. Oh, not here yet. Oh no. Where is that? Here. Okay. What is the weather like today?
Is sunny.
All throughout or just in the morning?
Sunny all day.
Okay, all day. What kind of sunny? Can you be more specific? Was it hot or just warm?
On the morning, it was hot, and in the evening it was a little bit warm.
It's warm because it's now evening. It is. Okay. Do you watch or where do you get information about the weather? Where?
On the TV.
Okay. Oh, why did this happen? Wait. So you watch. Oh, sorry again. So you watch weather forecast. Do you trust the weather forecast?
Just the weather forecast.
Do you know the ones that you watch on TV about the weather? Like they say that they talk about what the weather will be tomorrow and the next day. From the root word for means before it happened, they are telling us what might happen. Example, oh, tomorrow the weather will be rainy and the temperature will be, and then they will tell you. So it hasn't happened yet, but it's just a forecast. It could happen tomorrow. So when you watch them on TV, do you trust that whatever they say will happen? Do you trust them? No. Why not? Does it happen 100% when they say it will? Like tomorrow, they say that it will be sunny. But when the day came, it was raining. Did that happen?
No.
No. So do you trust the weather forecast? Do you trust the news about the weather?
No. No.
No. And how often do they get it right? Like their forecast is correct. How often? How often do they get it right? It means their forecast is correct. It happens.
Oh, I think always.
Oh, so you trust the weather forecast then? Because you believe it happens always. Okay. Do you have a question about that? You look confused.
No.
No, not really. Okay, next is number 3. Do you feel different because of the weather? And maybe give an example. When it's hot, how do you feel? When it's cold?
When it's hot, I feel like angry
Okay.
because it's so hot. And
Uh-huh.
when it's rain,
When it rains?
I feel a little bit cold because when it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Anything else?
no.
Does it snow in your region?
Another weather, I don't feel. I feel normal.
Oh, okay. Yes, we can feel normal too. Okay. And okay. So you said you get angry when it's hot. Why? Is it like you feel annoyed that you sweat a lot? Is that what you mean? Like you don't like feeling?
Mm,
Why do you feel angry?
because it's hot.
Oh, so you're more kind of annoyed. You don't like the hot weather.
Yes.
Okay. Number 4, how do you deal with rain? Do you use an umbrella or raincoat?
An umbrella.
An umbrella. You prefer an umbrella. Do you actually go outside when it's raining?
No.
No.
Always I at home.
How about a comfort food for rainy days? What do you like best?
With compressed fruit.
Comfort food is something that you like to eat in such mood when you have a mood, like when you're happy, when you're sad, or when the weather is hot, the weather is bad. Comfort food makes you feel comfort, make you feel happy. How about when it's raining? What is your comfort food? My turn. When it's rainy and the weather is cool, my comfort food would be macaroni soup. I like soup, hot soup. It makes me feel warm because the weather is cool. On the other hand, when the weather is when the sun is blazing, it's so hot. My comfort food is something cold like ice cream, juice. Okay, your turn.
When it's rain, I like.
When it's raining.
When it's raining, I like eat. I like eat snack.
Uh-huh. Can you be more specific? There are lots of snacks.
Like
I think you will eat anything on any weather. Right. You
yeah.
look like that. Okay. You can say that. You can eat anything on any kind of weather. Okay. I won't argue anymore. Number 5. Do you worry about global warming? Do you know that, dear?
No.
Have you noticed that the weather is extra hot, unlike on the past few years? It's not this hot. That is global warming. The increase of the Earth's temperature. It's hotter than this past few years, and it's still getting hotter. Do you worry about that?
Mm,
Do you? Maybe not. Because you're too young, right?
yeah.
Okay, I understand. But remember, from the root word warm, warming. So the temperature of the earth is increasing. It's getting hotter and hotter. Okay. Next is, how serious are the Earth's environmental problems? I think this one is too hard for you. But can you make a guess or give an example of a problem in our environment? Any idea?
Like have mm,
What are the problems in our environment or on Earth?
tornado.
Oh, I think those are natural disasters. Okay, natural disasters. Okay, what else? Okay, we can include that.
Um,
Another is pollution. Do you know what pollution is? Let me write it down. Pollution. Maybe when you are on, what grade are you now? Grade grade 6? Are you in grade 6? 6th grade? Yes, are you sure? Maybe when you are in grade 8, you will learn about pollutions. Pollutions is something that harms the environment. Example, there is water pollution when the water is dirty because people throw their waste, throw garbages in rivers, in the water. So the water gets dirty. That is pollution.
show picture.
Maybe. Okay, let me see. Wait, I will stop this one. Okay, please wait. I'll check. So there are different kinds of pollutions. Oh no. Wait, my Opera Mini is not responding. Overpopulation. There are too many people on Earth. That is an environmental problem too. Can you see me? Yes, you can. Okay. Let me see. I prepared some pictures, but not about pollutions. Oh no. Okay. Let me see. Oh no, it's lagging. My browser is lagging. I will go back there later, okay? I'll look for pictures for it later. Let's skip on it first because it takes time to load. Oh man. Mhm. I'm sorry, it's lagging. Huh? Hello, hello. I'm so sorry, my computer is lagging. Now, please wait for a moment. I hope you can hear me. Oh man. Okay, we will go back there later, okay? My laptop is lagging. I don't know why. Okay. I will try my best to find information about environmental problems. Okay. Next question. Let's skip on that first. Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. Which region of your country has the best weather?
It's a cloudy.
Uh-huh. So cloudy weather is the best weather for you?
Sun not too hot.
Oh, okay. That is the best weather for you. And which region has the best weather? Who has got the weather like that? Oh man. I think I need to refresh. Mhm. Okay, did you hear my question? Which region has the cloudy weather that you mentioned? Oh no, you can't hear me, I think. Hello?
Yeah.
So which region of your country has the best weather? Can you say that your region has the best weather?
No.
No, not really. What kind of weather do you usually have?
Sun and rain.
Oh, okay. Okay, next is a lot of vocabulary. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh man, why is this happening to my laptop today? Okay, let me slideshow. Weather, how to talk about the weather. Do you know we can use a lot of words to talk about the weather? Instead of just saying hot, instead of saying it's just cloudy or rainy. Okay, let's learn about sunny weather. What words can we use to describe the sunny weather?
This is bright, blazing, sunlight, sunshine.
Okay, I want you to learn about blazing. Blazing hot weather means it's very hot. Remember that, okay? When the sun is very hot and it feels like you can feel it. It's super hot. We can say blazing weather. Would you like to try using blazing weather in a sentence?
Um,
Blazing sun. Blazing sun. My turn. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, my turn. Quite a few people were eating outside in the blazing sun. Quite a few people were eating outside in the blazing sun. Your turn.
I feel angry when the weather is blazing sun.
Okay. Or maybe when the weather is blazing. Blazing. When the weather is blazing. If you want, you can put blazing sun together. And on the other hand, use blazing hot weather on the other hand. You choose one. Okay. Don't put them all. Okay. I feel angry when the weather is blazing hot. Okay. Next, what else? I think you understood the remaining ones. Bright. Mhm. The opposite of bright is, what is the opposite of bright?
Um,
Just think of an opposite. It's bright. So when the sun is not bright, it's
rain.
yes. And when it's rainy, it's dark. Okay. So when the sun is bright, the sky is bright. You can see it clearly. Okay. Sunshine. When you go out and the sun touches your skin, that is sunlight and sunshine. Okay. Next. Look, another set of words for rain. Can you please read them?
Rain.
Yes, please.
Drizzling, pouring,
Pouring,
raining, blazing,
lashing.
lashing.
Drizzling is to rain in very small drops or very lightly. Okay, just a sprinkle, drizzling. Okay, so it's a moderate rain. Okay, next, remember that drizzling is very small drops and very light. Next is pouring, large drops of rain. Okay, large drops, but not too strong, but big drops. From drizzling to pouring and then raining. And the strongest is lashing. Do you know a lash?
Yes.
Do you know the sound it creates when you lash? It's so strong, right? So they use that to describe the rain because lashing rain means very heavy and very fast. Okay? Because it is windy and that is the heaviest rain, lashing rain. Okay? Level 1, drizzling, pouring, raining, lashing. It is the heaviest rain. Okay? So the next time you tell me about the rain, we can skip the word rainy. You will tell me if it's just drizzling or lashing, loud rain. Okay, do you have any questions about that?
No.
No. Okay, so tell me, what kind of rain have you experienced before?
Mm,
Or maybe you have seen before.
lashing.
Oh, because can you describe how was it?
Um, First, the sky is half black clouds,
Oh,
and suddenly lashing rain.
okay. Was there a thunder too? Thunder?
No,
No. Okay. Next, clouds. I think I have pictures of clouds now. Let me see. Oh man, I didn't open it. Okay, please wait for a while. So when we say cloudy, they look differently. Okay, it's not just cloudy. There are different types of clouds. So we can use different words to describe them. Example is gloomy. Let me show you how gloomy, fog, and mist look like. Okay, please wait. It's still opening. Gloomy. I think this is the one you're talking about when it's about to rain. It's dark. What took you so long to open up? Okay. Here. Look, I think it looks like this when it's about to rain. Gloomy. Let me spell that one again. Gloomy. What can you say about this kind of clouds?
like this.
What does it look like? What will happen next?
It's rain.
Yes, it looks like it's going to rain soon. So you can say, oh, the sky is gloomy. So maybe it will rain soon. Okay. So you know how to describe the sky, the clouds. Okay.
Yeah.
Gloomy. It's about when the rain is about to start. Clear, clear. Next is, oh, not this one. Here, fog and mist. Do they look the same to you? Are they the same?
I think a little bit.
A little bit, yes, because they are both clouds. They are both clouds. But what's the difference? Mist is wet particles, while, oh, haze, the other one is dry. Do you know mist usually happens in the morning? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Have you tried going out in early morning, like 4 a.m. or 5 a.m.? Go outside and you can see the plants were quite wet, but it didn't rain. That is mist. Okay. Or if you left chairs outside, touch them. They are wet, a bit wet. That is from the mist, from the clouds. Okay. Which one is darker or not very visible to the eyes? Fog or mist?
Fog.
Yes. So we need to be careful when the weather is foggy because it is very heavy and dark and difficult to see. Okay. Next, what else do we have here? Let's go back to the PPT first so we can see the other words. So we will know which one is going next. Not this, but this one. Why aren't you moving? Okay. Next is overcast. Can you see the last one? Overcast. If it is overcast or the sky is overcast, the sky is completely covered with clouds and there is not much light. It's very cloudy. The sky is completely covered with clouds and there is not much light. Overcast. Okay. It's not blue, it's mostly white in the sky. That is overcast. It's in the sky, right? Not like fog. Fog goes down. Overcast talks about the clouds up above. Okay? Oh no, there's a lot of words. Let's keep going. Let's go to fog. Okay, remember, fog is made up of clouds. Okay, they differ on how they look. Okay, example is, okay, we already talked about mist. It's the early wet particles in the morning. Next is haze. Mist is wet. Haze is dry. But you can see fog form going down. Okay, what else? What else? What else? Patchy. Do you follow? I will send this list of vocabulary words. So maybe you can search them on the internet so you can be more familiar with it. Okay? Instead of explaining them all and maybe you won't remember them. Okay? So you can review them at home. Okay? When we say patchy fog, it only exists in some parts. Like in this part, there are lots of clouds, but on the other part of the region, not that much. It's just patch, patch, patch. Not all of it is filled with clouds. Patchy. Okay. Next is, I want to go to the natural disasters because I have some pictures of them. So you can remember them. I'm going to show them to you. Please wait for a bit. I'm going to open them. They are already open, but they want to load again. Want to load themselves again. 10, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, it takes so long to load. Here, I found it. Okay, this is, oh, maybe can you make a guess? Oh, it's a natural disaster. What's that? Any idea?
Is have seen in Vietnam.
Have you seen that one?
Is have in Vietnam. I don't.
Oh,
Can't see.
mhm. Maybe yes, because there is soil and land everywhere. And if there are mountains, especially mountains, this is landslide. Landslide is the land sliding down. Mhm. This is a natural disaster. This is not water, okay? This is land and soil going down from the mountains. Example, when it rained too hard, and there are no trees to hold the land, there is usually a landslide. So this is an environmental problem because people were removing trees from mountains, and so this happens. This is an environmental problem. Next, how about this? Do you know this one? It's made up of?
Snow.
Yes. Snow where?
On the mountain.
Yes. Remember, when the snow from the mountain collapses and it looks like a landslide, it's called avalanche. Let's write that down. Avalanche. It is snow from the mountains and it goes down. Do you know you can die from here if you get under it, just like a landslide. This is very dangerous. Okay. Avalanche. Next. So this is a natural disaster. Okay. It could happen anytime. Next is. Ooh, okay. What's this? Can you see the name?
Is like
Go, go, go. Yes. Maybe describe the situation in the picture first. What's happening in the picture?
It's windy.
Super. Okay. And then?
The trees fall.
Okay. And the rain is lashing. Okay. So when the rain is lashing and there is strong winds, it's called a hurricane. Hurricane. Let me spell that for you. Hurricane. So this term is usually used in America. Oh, sorry. But in our country, we call it storm, hurricane, or storm. Okay? In parts of America, they use the word storm or hurricane to describe a storm. But in our country and usually in the Asia, we use the word storm to describe this kind of weather. Understood? Have you experienced this kind of weather before?
No, I don't see.
Oh, do you know this happened to us? And there was flood. Mhm. The flood is so high you can swim because of this weather. Mhm. Okay, next is, oh yes, this is a bad storm. He's fighting for it. Okay, I just wanted to show you so you can laugh. He's trying to fight the storm. Here, what is this natural disaster?
Earthquake.
Yes, and it's very strong. How? Oh, this is a 7.1 magnitude earthquake. Have you seen this happen before? Or just a light earthquake? Have you seen this happen before?
No.
No. I have experienced this one. This is too strong. I thought we're gonna die. Okay, so this is a natural phenomenon. We can't control it. It can happen anytime. Okay, so where were we? Okay, so let's go back here. So I think we can't finish it because there are too many vocabulary words, and I hope you can remember some of them. I will screenshot this one and send it to you so you can review them. Maybe look for some pictures so you know what they look like. Okay? Okay. So what have we learned today? We learned some words related to weather and how to describe it. Like when the sun is bright, the sun is blazing, it's super hot. So we can use different kinds of words. And on our next meeting, we will continue learning more about the weather and making some questions. Here you go. Okay. So do you have any question about the lesson, Lynn?
Don't.
Too much vocabulary words today. Okay. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, right? Yes. Okay. I will send you a homework on how to use some of the vocabulary words. That will be your homework. Okay. I will send it in the group chat. Okay. Thank you so much, Lynn. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.